Dr. Adrian Wells had spent his entire career searching for the impossible, a way to bring dinosaurs back to life. For decades, the world had only seen these ancient creatures through fossils, skeletons, and museum displays. But Adrian believed that science could rewrite history, and one night, in his underground lab, it did. Using a groundbreaking gene splicing technique, he managed to extract fully intact DNA from a perfectly preserved T-Rex fossil. With advancements in cloning and synthetic incubation, he did what no scientist had ever done before. He brought a dinosaur embryo to life. Within months, the embryo grew into a living, breathing velociraptor, a creature that had not walked the earth for 65 million years. The world erupted in shock and awe. Governments demanded explanations. The media exploded with headlines. Some called him a visionary, while others called him a madman. But Adrian wasn't done. With funding from private investors, he created Bioregenesis, a secret research facility where dinosaurs were reborn. Soon, the lab housed Triceratops, Stegosaurus, pterosaurs, and even the apex predator itself, Tyrannosaurus rex. The world had entered a new age. Zrania and security teams. Their behavior was studied, their diets carefully maintained, and their instincts observed. But nature is unpredictable. As the dinosaurs grew, so did their intelligence. Velociraptors began communicating in ways scientists couldn't explain. The T-Rex tested the limits of its enclosure, learning the routines of its keepers. And then, one stormy night, the system failed. A power outage shut down the facility's containment fields. Security locks malfunctioned. Automated defenses collapsed. The dinosaurs were free. The velociraptors were the first to escape, moving like silent hunters in the dark, taking out the guards one by one. The Triceratops, once gentle, now rampaged through the facility, smashing walls and breaking fences. And the T-Rex, the ultimate predator, let out a thunderous roar that echoed for miles. Dr. Adrian Wells watched in horror from the control room as his greatest achievement became his greatest nightmare. Within hours, the dinosaurs had disappeared into the wilderness. Cities went on high alert. Military forces were deployed. But how do you track creatures that were born to hunt, to hide, to survive? Sightings began popping up around the world. A pteranodon was spotted flying over New York. A pack of raptors was seen in the Amazon rainforest. The T-Rex, last seen heading towards a populated town. The world was no longer ruled by humans alone. Adrian, now hunted by governments and corporations, went into hiding, vowing to fix what he had unleashed. But deep down, he knew the truth. Nature had taken back control, and there was no stopping it now. Thanks for watching. If you like this story, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment below.